I have some videos traveling. Did you meet Shona? No, I didn't meet Shona. She was in Manila when I came. Ah, you are in Cavite. I have been to Cavite only for a few hours. Uh, when was it? In 2023. In 2023. No, 2022. After COVID, 2022, I had gone to Iligan City, and on the way back at Manila, I went to Cavite. I had to pick up a baggage. I had to pick up a baggage from Cavite. Kaluokan. 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 So for how many days will you be here in Cavite? For how long will you be in Cavite? 1 month? 1 month vacation? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm happy here. I like Philippines. I've come to settle down. I've come to live in the Philippines now. I'm going to settle down here, not leave till I have to go upstairs. More than 1 month. Good. Enjoy, enjoy. The life is very hard otherwise, right? So enjoy. I have to keep the camera at an angle because I've got the fan, and when I'm talking, my voice is not clear because of the disturbance from the fan. So that's why I am at an angle. But I look at my laptop and I see all the comments, and I comment from my laptop. Oh, it's your last day. Oh my gosh, it's your last day. You will be going back now. So sad. Which country are you working in? Which country? Oh, so sad your holidays come to an end. Yeah, so sad. That 1 month must have flown very fast. So where will you be returning to? Which country do you work?